Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to download your Aadhar card right from your mobile itself. You can easily get the Aadhar card anytime. So you have to just install the application. Just to go to the Google Play Store, search for Aadhar, just install it. Now open the Aadhar application. So now click on while using the app. Click on while using the app. Click on allow. Now just click on skip. Now click on I consent. Now select your language. Click on continue. Now enter your registered mobile number with your Aadhar card. Enter the OTP. If OTP not received on time means click on resend OTP. After enter the OTP, now submit. So once you logged in, now you can see download Aadhar. Click on download Aadhar. Now there is two types, regular Aadhar and masked Aadhar. If you are going to give your Aadhar card number to some other person for any verification purpose means you can choose the masked Aadhar, or if you want to keep it yourself for identity means you can choose the regular Aadhar. Now select which you have. If you know the Aadhar number means select the Aadhar number, enter the Aadhar number, enter the security captcha and click on the OTP request. Now enter the OTP and click on verify. Now you can able to download your Aadhar card. Just click on the open option and you need a password to open your Aadhar card. The password is 8 characters totally. The first 4 character is the first 4 letter of your name and the next 4 character is your birth year. So here is some examples also given, so you can check out the examples and enter the right password. Now click on open. So firstly you need to enter your password to decrypt. If you unable to enter the password means make sure to include your initial also in the first 4 character of your name. So once you entered your password, now you can able to see your Aadhar card. Now to save this, just click on the share icon. Now here is the option save to my files. Click on this and click on save. And that's it. Now you are saved your Aadhar card into your phone storage itself.